Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your green dot card. For activating your card, you just need to go to green dot's website, and after you land on the website, you will find the activate card button at the top right corner here. Then you will land on this type of interface. Here you have to enter your 16-digit card number that you can find on your physical green dot card that are provided by your nearest green dot branch. After entering your 16-digit card number, you have to add your expiration date and CVV. Then you need to verify your presence. Click on this box, and after completing these blanks, you have to click on this next button. Then you need to provide some information that are connected to yourself, like your name, address, date of birth, and active mobile number. Don't forget to add your active mobile number for any type of communication with your green dots provider. Then after entering this information, you need to verify your information by some verification process through email or phone number. There's the all process to active your green dot card via online. Note that you have to provide exact the same information that your physical green dot account have. Now let's see how to activate your green dot card through the mobile app. Just like the same process, enter to your mobile app of green dot, then click on your activate your card button and enter your name, your address, your date of birth, your mobile phone number, email, and verify your all information through an verification email. Then you have to provide your card details like the 16 digit number of your card, expiration date, CVV of your card. Then click on continue. After that, you will get an activation message through your email. Also, you can contact to your nearest green dot branch to activate your card online. They will be glad to help you. Also, you can call them on their customer service number. The number is 866-795-7579. Note this down, and you can call them at 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. 7 days a week. You can also contact them with their email, and they also have chat option online. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon with another informative tutorial video. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time.